All right, welcome. Today, we're diving into a really critical topic, AI security, and why that whole once-a-year training model is, well, officially dead. Now, this is just part one of a massive 20-part explainer. We're breaking down a huge report from Virtualization Options LLC that's all about building a truly effective, ongoing AI training program. We're only scratching the surface here, so if you want the full picture, we really suggest you contact them directly. And just so we're clear, this overview comes with no warranty. So, with that out of the way, let's get into it.
So, where is all this coming from? Well, all the insights we're about to unpack are pulled directly from a detailed report by Virtualization Options LLC. They're a tech research and advisory firm, and their work is really the backbone for this entire explainer series.
Okay, let's just start with a pretty blunt question, shall we? Is that annual check-the-box security training you're doing actually putting your organization at a greater risk? I know, it's a provocative thought, but as we're about to see, the answer might be a little unsettling. So what's the big deal? Why is that old training model suddenly so dangerous? To really get it, you have to understand that the battlefield itself has changed. I mean, the whole landscape of cybersecurity hasn't just shifted a little, it's been fundamentally rewritten. And you know, this quote from the report just hits the nail on the head. Organizations worldwide face an accelerating threat landscape driven by artificial intelligence. The key word there? Accelerating. The speed of change is unlike anything we've ever dealt with before. Threats aren't just popping up, they are evolving in real time. Right, so if the threat is moving at light speed, what happens when our defense is standing still? This brings us right to the core of the issue, why that traditional annual training model isn't just a little bit outdated, it's dangerously inadequate.
And this is where you can really see the problem in black and white. It's a total mismatch. It's dangerous. Look on one side. You've got your standard, static annual training. It happens once a year. It's mostly just to check a compliance box, and honestly, it's probably outdated within a few weeks. It's totally one size fits all. Now look at the other side. You've got dynamic AI threats. They evolve daily. They are laser-focused on specific targets. They exploit brand new tech almost instantly, and they're often tailored to specific roles inside your company. It's like trying to fight a modern war with muskets. It just doesn't work.
Okay, so we've established the old model is completely broken. So what do we do about it? Well, the report doesn't just point out the problem, it offers a real solution, a continuous training ecosystem. This isn't just a small tweak, it's a whole new framework built for this new reality.
But, okay, what does that really mean? A continuously updated AI security training ecosystem. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. Think of it less like a class you take and more like a living, breathing system. It's a framework built to get the right information to every single person, from the front lines all the way to the C-suite at exactly the right time. It's not about one big event. It's about constant, relevant updates that actually keep pace with the threat.
All right, that sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work? I mean, how do you really go from that static, once-a-year thing to something that's always on, always live? Well, it all comes down to what the report calls the dynamic refresh cycle.
Here's the secret sauce. The whole system is powered by live inputs. We're not talking about a curriculum written a year ago. No, this is fueled by real-time threat intelligence feeds, by your own internal incident reports, and by the latest emerging security research. All of this makes sure that the training is always relevant to what's happening right now.
And this is how it all comes together in a repeatable cycle. The report lays out this super practical 30, 60, 90-day rhythm. Think about it. In the first 30 days, you're constantly assessing the new threats from all those live feeds. By day 60, you're already developing and updating training that's specific to different roles in the company. And by day 90, that fresh, relevant training is out there, and you're already measuring how well it's working. And then, the cycle just begins again.
So, all of this leads to the most important part, right? What do you do next? The message from the report couldn't be clearer. The time for a passive, static defense is long gone. It's just over.
And I'll leave you with this final thought, which really is the core question of this whole report. Your adversaries are using AI to learn and adapt every single second. The real question is, are you?